Hello everyone, today I will show you about waxing. Like I will wax his leg. Let me show you how much hair he have. So he have so much hair on his leg, and then today I will show you what I'm going to do with the waxing. It's very easy and quick. Okay, so when you do the leg waxing, you should have this cotton like this big at least. You could make it bigger than that. And you know the wax and with the all this stuff we have with the cotton and everything. And this is a stick. Normally when I use with the leg waxing or you know arm or um, you know underarm, we use the big one. We have the small one. The small one is just for the eyebrows. So today I use the big one. Okay, so let me show you with the his leg again. Look at how much hair he has. Okay.
Okay, first of all, you have to like make the hair uh, good, not to make it like messy, make it good, because when you do the waxing, you have to put the wax straight over the hair, like the way the hair grow. And then after you put the wax, follow the way the hair grow, and when you pull it opposite. So you have to do that. If you don't do the right way, the hair it's not coming out. So look what I did. I put the wax all over the hair, follow the way the hair grow, and then I put the fabric on it, and then you just make it smooth, and then just pull it out. See, all come off. They all just come off with the fabric. See that? It's not hard, but you have to know the trick to do it. If you don't know how to do it, like the trick to do it, it's not gonna come off. And see, I put more wax. And when you know how to do it, you just like put it all away, and then put you could put a lot, like you could put a lot, and then you just keep pull it out one or two time. It quick, the way I do. I always put it a lot at a time, and then I keep just like pulling out, and then it very quick. And then even the fabric, you don't have to use it a lot either. One fabric I could use for like almost half side of the legs. See that? I use only one fabric. I don't change at all. I mean, the first one I change because like it dropped. But this one I use only one. See, pull it out, it's coming off. Actually, it's not hard at all with the wax. With the leg wax, arm wax, underarm wax, it's not hard. But the hard thing is about the eyebrow wax. The eyebrow wax is a little bit hard because you have to know the shape of the eyebrow that customer like. But with this kind of wax, it's not hard. But you have to do it the right way, like to put the wax, follow the hair, the way of the hair grow, and then just make the skin tight and pull it out quick. That's it. So see that I show you how I put the waxing on his legs. and then put the fabric on it, and then kind of like make it see, you just like push it back and forth and pull it out. That's it. See that, all the hair coming out easy. It look easy, right? And when you do it, it's easy too. That, yeah, just put that and then pull it out. Okay, now I start with the other leg. I finished one leg, now I start with the other legs. So you have to put it, follow the hair again, just to make sure, you know, I show it both legs. This leg I kind of put a lot. Try to put like almost the whole leg, and then just put the fabric and then just keep pulling out. This way it quick. You know, see, I put all the way down, like from the top down, like the whole legs, and then this way quick. The way I do to customer, I don't take long time at all, and then I don't use a lot of fabric at all. See, I put one, I pull it out, and then I put the same fabric and then pull it out 3 or 4 times. That's it. See, easy and quick, and then even the fabric you don't have to use a lot. See, the whole thing, it's gone. Yeah, that is my trick. I just like put the whole thing and then just keep pulling. I enjoy pulling all the hair out. And this is, I show you with the messy hair. Like I don't follow the hair grow, you know, and then we'll see how it come off. Because this is messy, I don't follow the hair grow. So you see that the hair, it grow different size. And then when I just want to show you the wrong one. This is the wrong one that you don't do, that we don't do it because it's not good. It's not coming off. You see that? You see the hair, it's not coming off. It's still stuck. The one that it opposite, it come off, but the one that it not opposite, it's still there. That's why I keep telling you, if you do waxing, you have to make sure and look which hair go to the which side, and then you follow the hair, the way the hair grow, and then you just put the wax and then put the fabric, pull it opposite side. See, when you follow the hair, it come off good. See that? When you follow the hair grow, it come off easy and quick. And like I said, wherever you want to wax, you just do the same thing, the same rule. Look at the hair, follow the way the hair grow. See that? I follow it. This side, the hair, it kind of grow to, like one side it grow to the left, one side it grow to the right. So just follow it and then put the wax around it, and then put the fabric and make the skin tight, pull it out. Yeah, normally I always do the whole thing like that. I put all the wax all the way down, and then I start to like keep pulling it out. couple time it's gone, and then I don't spend so much fabric either. Some of my girl, oh my god, they spend a lot of fabric. Like they put it one, throw it away, put it one, throw it away. You know, you don't have to do that. Like, look at me, I just do only one fabric and then I keep pulling out. It saves a lot. See that? It saves a lot, and all the hair it's coming off. You don't have to like put only one and pull it one time and throw it away, pull it one time and throw it away. You don't have to do that. Okay, this is finished. See that? All the hair is gone. All those hairs gone. Thank you. Bye bye.